I've been using the Apple Vision Pro for a little over 24 hours, and today I want to tell you all about my experiences using it. Let's get into it. So here we are in Vision OS. As you can see, the app are literally floating in front of me. And you guys know how to navigate this. You simply pinch your fingers. Then if you want to search, tap search, look up at the dictation, boom, search. Now let's say you want to go to an environment, and you see that little menu there. This brings up your battery percentage, Wi-Fi, time, the date, your home screen button, environments button, notifications, and control center. I want to go to an environment, so we're gonna go here, and let's go here. Boom. Want to increase your immersion, you turn the digital crown. Now we're fully in. If you want to lessen the immersion, you can just turn the digital crown the other way. Let's go back in now. Say you want to watch YouTube, and let's watch Luke Miani's video here about Vision Pro.
Well, folks, the day has finally come.
If you want to go full screen,
here, it's
you
real.
tap on the video, and then you look at the full screen icon and tap it.
Stoked about this.
To resize the window, you look at the bottom corner, and you pinch, and you pull. To move the window, you simply pinch on the bottom, and you move it wherever you want. To skip around the video, you look at the timeline, and you tap your fingers. As for my thoughts on Vision Pro, it's an awesome piece of technology, but as you can see, if we leave this environment here, the pass-through is very, very grainy, and right now I'm in direct sunlight, and the pass-through is still very, very grainy. If you're trying to use this thing at night in the dark, there is so much noise and blurriness to the pass-through that it's pretty much unusable. Now, the other issue I have is the foveated rendering is a problem for me because I have an eye problem that basically my eyes don't look in the same direction at the same time. For me, most of the time, some of the icons and the text is blurry when I'm looking at it, but I can't tell I'm looking at it. So that's a problem for me and anybody who has any kind of eye issue. But the eye tracking still works for the most part for me, which is surprising. I've also went into some panoramas here. Let's take you to this one. Look at this. I mean, I'm surrounded by an image right now. Isn't this crazy? The panoramas are awesome. This was taken 5 years ago, somewhere around that, on probably an iPhone XS. The only complaints I really have are the pass-through, and that's really it. And the foveated rendering. I've also used this as a virtual Mac monitor, which is pretty cool. I edited a video on Final Cut, and I created the video thumbnail for that video using the iPad version of Canva, as you can see right here. You can literally just look around and pinch and drag. That's it. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so that 24 hours later, the Vision Pro is freaking awesome. I'm gonna keep using it. I'll be back in a couple days with maybe a week later review. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.